I thought I would share these with you for anyone that is looking for an all-in-one journaling box. I got a couple of these because I wasn't sure how they were going to be, so for some reason that one doesn't have a label. I probably took it off and not even realised. So yeah, I got these on Amazon. I think they were like £14 for one box, and I'm going to show you the contents of one box because I feel like if you're a beginner and you don't really have anything, rather than scouring charity shops and eBay and trying to get a stash, this is good for like a quick stash to start making some like journaling things. It's like a all-in-one box. So I've already been in about these boxes. You get a notebook that is full of graph paper, square paper. The cover also comes off, so you could turn this into your first journal. You could use the cover to recover this and put it back on the book. You get, this one only has one washi tape, but I noticed the other box has two, so I think it's dependent on whatever box you buy. Oh, I'm just getting closer on my seat. Okay, it comes with a little pile of notepad type things, so I'm going to take this off. And of course you can use every part of your packaging like this in your journaling. You get these little memos. This varies per pack too, but you'll get a little stack of something. Got these ones, it's a to-do list. And these ones. This is a little packet of, I think these might be just card ephemera, not stickers. Yeah, I think these are just, oh no, these are just card. So you get a little pack of small ephemeras, card ones. You get some envelopes, so like pockets. These look like magazine cutouts, little images. They're perforated so you can rip them. They feel like stamps. You get a little pile of stickers. Some are stamp themed. You get washi stickers. This is a little pile of papers, so scrapbooking papers. More of these stamp things. I'm calling them stamps, but they feel to me like magazine cutouts. You get some vellum papers. Vellum papers that are really, oh, they're so cute. And, oh, this looks like larger size papers. I need to tip it out. This one's stuck in the bottom. Oh, that is the bottom. No, it's not, it's just stuck. Okay, so you get a little handful of larger size scrapbooking papers. And everything's in a theme, so whatever pack you pick, I think there was like 4 different themes. It all is like complementary to itself. So there's the washi tape. So because I've got Amazon Prime, it was free postage. So this little box was £14 and free postage. And I think it's a really good beginner pack for somebody that has absolutely nothing and they want to try making their first little, see, I've already been cutting this one. I've been cutting the paper out already like a naughty girl. But yeah, I like. So this one is the vintage step. When you look at the pictures on Amazon, one is green, one is orange, one is brown, and one is red or pink. I think it's pink. So the green one is like more woodlandy, nature themed, and I've got the brown one which is vintage themed. This one I've also been in. This one comes with 2 washi tapes and a lot more vintage themed stuff. But again, the notebooks are all just this type of notebook. It's quite a thick notebook, it's quite substantial. So yeah, and this one seems to have the kind of stickers that you use for planners as well. So yeah, I thought I would just share that with you. If somebody's looking for an all-round beginner box and they don't want to start collecting loads of little bits and pieces from places like Temu or AliExpress, Amazon have these, and one box would do lots of crafting. Add it to some scrapbook papers, add it to book pages. I think it's a cute little box.